In today's video, I'll teach you how to send Instagram Reels to WhatsApp. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Instagram. You can see over here, I've already opened it. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the reel icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to see various reels over here. Find the reel that you would like to share. Once you do that, what you have to do is tap on the share icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find the option for WhatsApp and tap on it. Now once you do that, you can see over here WhatsApp will be opened. You'll have to select the person to whom you want to send the reel. Simply tap on that contact. Now after you do that, tap on the arrow icon that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here that particular Instagram reel link will be pasted over here. Tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here that particular Instagram reel will be sent. So that is how you send Instagram reels to WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.